We're Immobiliser Fit, and it's a brand new 74 plate full size Range Rover protected with Ghost 2 Immobiliser. So what you have to do to drive this vehicle, start it up, pop a code in. For now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, wait for a flash from the full beam, and now we can drive away. When you turn the vehicle off, it takes roughly 10 seconds to set. If a thief was to grab the key off you as you pull up at home, start the vehicle. As soon as they pop it in gear, the vehicle cuts out. What you'll see with the Ghost, once this has happened, the vehicle's just not going to start up. You're just going to get a little kick and the vehicle's going to shut down. So what you have to do in this instance, when you get in the vehicle, foot off the brake, tap the start button. The switches, they have a 2 position click, and you want to try and get the half click, and you do it quite slow at the pace of 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a double flash. There we go, it's accepted the code, we can drive away. If the customer wants to change the code, what they'll do, no need to start it, so foot off the brake, tap the start button, pop your code in to confirm it's you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for the double flash. Now what we're going to do is hold the full beam back and pop our code in again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and let go. And as you'll see, the full beam starts to flash. It's ready to put a new code in. So we'll just set front, back, back. We'll wait for a triple flash and repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we should just get a double flash. And that's the code learned. If you got 4 flashes, you'd have to start the process again. The code wasn't accepted. But because it was, we can start the car. Go through the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for our double flash, and we're good to go. If you're taking it for a service, when the system's disarmed, vehicle's running, pull the front passenger window up 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait for 5 flashes. And now when you give it to Range Rover in service mode, as long as this vehicle doesn't exceed 30 miles an hour for more than 15 minutes, it's going to start up, go into gear and drive like normal. Once they exceed that, they'll get a double flash and the vehicle will be immobilised. It will need the code again. So take it out of service mode, turn the ignition on without starting, pop your code in, wait for your double flash, and you're good to go. Turn the vehicle off. System will be active in about 10 seconds, and just to make sure, we'll give it a test. Pop it into gear, vehicle dies. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.